everyone, so in today's video I decided to do an apartment tour. I did one of these last year when I lived in my very first own apartment. I lived in a studio last year, and after being in that space for a year I decided to move just because I grew out of that space real quick. I thought it'd be perfect for the time being, and then just really realized I need more space. So I decided to move to a space where I could have my own bedroom, and it would be almost triple the size of my last apartment, and I would still be paying pretty much the same amount. It's just not as a new modern apartment, because in my first year since I was moving to a city that I had no idea about, didn't know anyone, I was like, well, let me pick an apartment that's nicer and more modern, new, in a nicer area. And this time I was like, okay, this area is nice enough. I already have friends who live here in this complex and they've had good experience. So I'm glad it worked out, because I was like, okay, I'd rather sacrifice a modern apartment for more space at this point. If I could pay the same amount and have more space, I think I'd rather have that. And I needed to experience that and live that on my own to know that. But anyway, I've been living in this apartment for 2 months now. I think I moved in did I move June, July? Actually 3 months now. I moved in June and we're now about to start in September. So yeah, I've been loving it. It's been great. And without further ado, let's get into the tour. When you open the door, this is what my apartment looks like. To the right over here, we have a closet, and I just keep some of my jackets in here. Actually, I need to start using this space. I never really open this right now because it's so hot, so I don't get jackets unless I need a vacuum. But I need to be using the space. I have a lot of things I could put up there. But yeah, here's just an extra closet that I keep my winter stuff in. And then here is what the living room looks like and what my kitchen looks like from this angle. So here's my living room, and to the left I have my TV with this TV stand. And this TV stand I got from Amazon and I really like it. I try to go for that boho neutral with hints of pink type of vibe, and I love it and it works perfectly. So I have some books in there and then my TV. And then over to the right here is just my mirror. I had this last year, actually the last couple years, and this mirror is from IKEA and I love it. It's perfect. So yeah, I've kept the same theme when it comes to decorating my apartment the last few years. And then here I just have some decor of some pictures with friends, and I need to replace a lot of these photos because they're old. Like, so many of them are when I was a senior in college, so I need to replace these soon. And then over here is my couch. So if you guys remember and were following along with my whole couch debacle, I tried to order a couch that was like more of a low setting, and it was like cream, and they were just having a hard time getting it delivered. So last minute had to get this couch, and it's actually been fine. I decided just to get a couch because I was like, I need one. So it really is a necessity. So I was like, I'll just get this couch because it was really affordable, and they were like they would have no problem delivering it. So I got this couch and it's been good. And then the pillows they're from Amazon. They're the covers and the inserts. And then I just have this lamp also from Amazon. These picture frames are from Target, and I still like, even though this is what it's looking like right now, still having ideas of things that I want to continue to add to my apartment. Maybe like next year, like get a new frames, because I definitely want to have frames in my dining room and then replace these frames over here. And it's still a work in progress, and I am planning on living here again next year at the moment. So yeah. And then this coffee table is from Amazon. And also with the couch, I was debating too, because it could come with an ottoman, but that was like an extra, I think $600 or something, maybe $500. And I was like, I already have this anyway. So I was like, I would save the money and let me just use this, and I think it looks just fine. And then this rug is from Wayfair, and I absolutely love it. It's so perfect. This rug actually came out to be bigger than I thought it was going to be, but I love it. I think the rug is so perfect for this space because it is such a big space that you want it to feel nice and cozy, and I just love it. It's nice, fluffy, and perfect. And then the blanket, also from Amazon. So over here is my kitchen. So like I was saying, I definitely want to add a couple chairs because when I do have friends over, I always have to grab a chair from my desk in my room, so I definitely want to add 1 or 2 more chairs in here, but for now, it just being me, it works fine. And then I just hung up these pink shelves. They're from IKEA, I believe, but my friend who moved out of her apartment just gave me them, and they're perfect because this area without it was just so bare and blank. So that's what I was saying. I think I want to add those frames here and then put some other frames there, just so this area is not so bland. And then I'm also planning on getting a new lamp, so because it could get dark in this space too. But yeah, then here is my kitchen area. We got the dishwasher to the right. I got my Keurig, spatulas, my pink toaster that I love. And over here is the pantry. And then over here in this door is where the laundry room is, which I clearly need to do laundry. So yeah, and then here's the view from that space. But yeah, it's a nice little spot because if I don't do dishes, I do my dishwasher, but if I needed to, I could still somewhat see the TV and have a nice view outside. So yeah, this is this space, and if we walk on over, here is my bedrooms in here. So here is the view, what my bedroom looks like. So I have a couple of nightstands, which that nightstand I still need to clean out and like set it up. I still have not done that. Here it's kind of a mess too. Haven't finished that book. So but that's what the nightstand looks like, and here's my bed. The bedding is all from, throw pillows are from Target and Dormify, and then the bedding is from Amazon, and then this throw blanket I think is also from Amazon, and then this tapestry is from Society 6, and I've had that since forever. Like I had this in my sophomore year of college room, but it just is perfect in this space. I really like it. It doesn't look too bare in here. And then eventually I do want to hang up something here, either something similar to those pink shelves or just maybe something similar to the decor I have in my living room with the photos. Something here, I still don't know yet. Still work in progress. And then this I've also had for years, and I got this I think from Overstock, I believe. But yeah, I've had that for a while too. And then I just have my TV over here, which I love having a TV in both my living room and my bedroom. It's so nice. And then here's just my desk area where I get ready. I just recently added these pictures that I got from Temu. It came in a pack of 6 different Taylor Swift aesthetic posters, and I was like, this is perfect because this room has been so bare and I didn't know what to put right there. So I think they're very cute. Some Taylor Swift song aesthetic posters. And then this isn't super nicely organized, but I just have my makeup brushes and my perfumes and different accessories here, and then all of my makeup products in my Alex drawers that I've had forever. So that's where that is. And here's what my room looks like from this view. So it's super nice this year having 2 separate spaces. Like, it's such a game changer because I'm never in my room. I'm only in my room when it's time for bed and to go to sleep, and so it's such a nice separation. So I'm not in just one room and in my bed all day. I did not like that last year, because as much as I wanted to rest, I was like, I feel like I need to go into another space. So I love having my living room and then also my bedroom. It's so nice. Okay, so when we walk out of here, to the left is the bathroom. So here's a bathroom space. I wish the lighting in here wasn't so yellow, and that loud noise is the AC. It blasts so loud in here. I wish the lighting, I could adjust it to more white lights. That's my only con with here, because I think it would be so much nicer if it was not yellow lights. But huge, nice mirror, and this bathroom is huge. I haven't had a bathroom this big before, so it's really nice. And I just keep my jewelry and accessories here, my toothbrush and things, and then I have some hair accessories. Here I think I have some hair accessories, which I just got this new brush, the large one of the Tangle Teaser. It's so good. I love that. Just some random things and some hair tools and other products. I just keep a bunch of those things in there. And then here's what my shower looks like. So yeah, that's what that looks like. And then this curtain is from Target. I actually really like this shower curtain. And then this bath mat is from Amazon. This one is it was from Bed Bath & Beyond, which I heard they're out of business now. So yeah, I've had that since I was in college. And then here is actually interesting because this is where my walk-in closet is. Turn on the light, but here is my walk-in closet. Yes, this was another huge selling point for me. It's not totally clean in here, but as organized as it can be. I have all my shoes here, shoes on top, some other random accessories on top, and then all of my clothes are hung up, which the first week this whole thing fell to the ground because I think it was too heavy, so they fixed it. And I'm always hoping anytime I get new clothes that it does not fall and break again because I am running out of space. So I think next year one of my plans is get another like dresser or some storage here where I can put more clothes in, and maybe even tucked behind there, but I definitely even need more space. So, but this is just so nice. Just a lot of space. Yeah, so that was my problem last year, is I was just, as the year went on, I was continuing to get more and more things and not having any space to put it. My closets were so small. So now having all that closet, having that closet, and I didn't even show you, but I have drawers underneath my bed with clothes too. It just has made it so much nicer and has helped me a lot because I was getting tired of having so much stuff in my apartment, and it was just, it felt like the size of a closet, and I was like, I can't do this. But that is pretty much my entire apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it. I know I've been wanting to do this for a while, but like I said, I think those shelves here, I'm gonna add my holiday fall decor on there. So I think next week I'm gonna put out the fall decor, which I'm so excited for. So before I started doing that and changing this into a fall themed apartment, I wanted to show you guys how it looks. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.